Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA SE, which is a 2-litre CDTI diesel with a stop-start engine. She's a 2-door vehicle fitted with a 6-speed manual transmission and finished in the asteroid grey. This car was first registered in April 2013 and, as you can see, is on a 13 plate. The car has a warranted mileage of 20,983 miles. The Cascada is an insurance group of 23, has a CO2 figure of 138, which equates to a road fund licence fee of only £130 a year. The Cascada has standard daytime running lights to improve safety. The Cascada comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, is fitted with colour-keyed heated electric adjustable door mirrors. Colour-keyed door handles are standard, along with remote central locking. The Cascada has a high-level rear brake light and rear parking sensors. As you can see, we have a roomy passenger compartment with ISOFIX fittings for ease of fitting child seats, plus the 2 seat belts, with storage for your passengers within the centre console and front centre armrest. Just to confirm the mileage of 20,983 miles. Standard features on this particular vehicle include the air conditioning. For greater convenience, both Bluetooth and cruise control are standard. The 3-spoke leather-bound steering wheel houses the car's secondary radio controls. The radio in which is the FM/AM digital radio, CD MP3 player with both auxiliary and USB for greater flexibility. Storage within the car's door cards and again centre console. This is a Network Q vehicle and benefits from a 12-month manufacturer's warranty. This concludes the presentation of the Vauxhall CASCADA. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no quibble deposit, or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you are thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.